Hello everyone, welcome to the series Quant for Cat. Today's topic is angles and triangles. There are several types of angles. First one is reflexive angle. It is the angle which is greater than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees. Okay. And second thing is complementary. Means sum of the two angles is 90 degrees. Third thing is supplementary angles. Here, uh, sum of the angles is 180 degrees. Okay. And now let's discuss about triangle. So triangle, there is a triangle ABC. So this angle is angle sum of A and B. Okay. The basics of triangles are basic principles or basic rules of triangles are A plus B is less than C. A minus B is greater than sorry. A plus B greater than C. A minus B is less than C. So we know that S is the semi-perimeter. SC equals to A plus B plus C by 2. Now let's discuss about some important terminologies. Here small arc is called in radius. It is the point of intersection of angular bisectors. The point of intersection of angular bisectors. Next is capital R, which is circumradius. Circumcenter is the point of intersection of perpendicular bisectors. Okay, and then there is this orthocenter. Orthocenter is point of intersection of altitudes. Centroid. It is the intersection point of medians. Okay. So these are the important terminologies which you have to remember. And the side opposite to A is the length of side opposite to A, which is BC, equals to small a. The length of opposite AC equals to small a. Length of side AB equals to small c. Okay. And then the formula for x radius equals to area by root of s minus a if it is opposite to a. Okay. And area equals to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Okay. Area equals to half base into height and half ab sin theta. Sin c equals to in radius into semi-perimeter equals to ABC by 4R. And after that, there are two rules called sine rule and cosine rule. Sine rule. Sine rule is A by sine A equals to B by sine B equals to C by sine C equals to 2R. Cosine rule, which is cos A equals to B square plus C square minus A square by 2AC. This is cosine rule. Okay. And okay. And next, let's. There is a note point here where a triangle to be acute, it has to follow this condition, which is C square is less than A square plus B square. C is the greatest angle, sorry, greatest side, and for it to be obtuse, the reverse C square is greater than A square plus B square. If it's right angle, C square equal to A square plus B square. In all these three cases, C is the biggest side. Okay. And now let's discuss some properties. Some properties of a right angle triangle and its altitude. Mm, okay. Let us take a right angle triangle ABC, which is right angled at B. ABC, right angled at B, and draw a perpendicular to AC at D. Okay. So BD square equals to AD into CD. See, these are, I think there are three formulae. All these three formulae are useful. So try to practice it or jot down it somewhere so that it will be useful in future. And AB square equals to AD into AC and BD into AC equals to AB into BC. Okay, this formula is just by what we say, just by equating the areas of both areas. Like when we are taking BD as height, AC is base, right? So half BD into AC equals to half height, which is AB, half AB into BC. Okay. And then coming to some properties of isosceles triangle. So isosceles triangle means which has two equal sides. Isosceles triangle, which means it has two equal sides. Okay. The two equal sides are A, B, C. These two are equal. And if you draw a perpendicular from A to BC, for this orthocenter centroid, so I will, for this orthocenter, centroid, in center, all lies on this line only. like this median or altitude. This is the median and this is the altitude. So orthocenter, circumcenter, center, centroid all lies on this side only. Okay. So that's it. That's about that's one property about isosceles triangle. And next property about equilateral triangle. Sorry. Okay. Next property is about equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Let us take the side. Each side has a length of a, and uh, we know that in an equilateral triangle, altitude and median both are same. So to find h equals to h is the height of the equilateral triangle root 3 by 2 a. Area equals to root 3 by 4 a square, and in radius equals to a by 2 root 3, and circumradius equals to a by root 3. And next I will discuss a property about right angle triangle where uh, let us consider a right angle triangle ABC. Okay, so ABC. This is A, this is C, this is D. For in radius R equals to A plus C minus D by 2. Here B is hypotenuse, so we are subtracting B. This is one important formula which you can remember. And then and then another property regarding right angle triangle is uh, equating variables via angle. Okay, this angle is, let this angle be 30 degrees. Let this angle be 45 degrees. So let hypotenuse be h in both the cases. If you know this formula for sin theta and cos theta, you can simply find this. This is h by root 2. This is h by root 2 sin h by 2 sin 30. So root 3 h by 2. Okay. So similar triangles. If there are two similar triangles, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle uh, DEF. That these two be similar triangles. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equals to AB by DE whole square equals to BC by EF whole square equals to CA by FD whole square. Okay. Hmm. And one property regarding centroid. Centroid is it divides median in the ratio 2 is to 1. Okay. Centroid divides median in the ratio 2 is to 1, and it divides a triangle into 6 equal parts. Centroid divides a triangle into 6 equal parts. Hmm? Okay, and then there is one theorem called Apollonius theorem. Apollonius theorem. Okay, it is regarding a median. This theorem is regarding a median. So let us take this A, B, C, D. Let AD be the median and D divides BC into two equal parts. What Apollonius theorem states is AB square, sorry, AB square plus AC square equals to 2 into AD square plus BD square. Okay. If you write it down for all the sides, then it will be uh, and if we write it if we take every median and if we write this formula for all the sides, we will get this formula 3 into AB square plus BC square plus CS square equals to 4 into AD square plus BE square plus AF square. Okay, this is the most important thing which you have to remember regarding Apollo's theorem. And there is one more thing also, which is AG square plus BG square plus CG square by AB square plus BC square plus CS square equals to 1 by 3. Okay. And then another property is line joining the midpoints of a triangle. Okay, this is a triangle and line joining midpoints of the triangle. Okay. So A, B, C, D, E, F. So FE equals to BC by 2 and FE is parallel to BC. Okay. This is one property. And another property is, and note down one point here. Centroid divides orthocenter and circumcenter in the ratio 2 is to 1. So OG, this is orthocenter, centroid, circumcenter. Okay. OG is to GS is 2 is to 1. Remember this thing. It will be useful in future. And then in Pythagoras, if you know, I think all of you might have known about Pythagoras theorem. And in Pythagoras theorem, there are some triplets. If you write a Pythagoras theorem, which is a square plus b square equals to c square, okay? Uh, if you are taking any number, suppose let's say mm, for odd, which is if you know that 3 square plus 4 square equals to 5 square, right? So if you are taking the number 3, 3 is a odd number, 3 square equals to 9. Okay, now divide it by 2, which is 4.5, which is 4.5. which is average of 4 and 5. So 3, 4, 5 is a triplet. And if we take 5 for 5, 5 square equals to 25 by 2, which is 12.5, 12 and 13. So 5 square equal, and the triplet is 5 square plus 12 square equals to 13 square. This is another triplet. So it is applicable for almost all the smallest values. And if the number keeps on increasing, it might not work. Okay. And another thing is for even numbers, which is 4 square plus 3 square equals to 5 square. What we do for if you are taking 4 square, which is 16, now 1 by 4th of it, which we get equal to 4. Okay, which we get 4. 4 is average of 3 and 5. And if we are taking another number, let us take 6. Okay, 6 square equals to 36 divided by 4. We are getting 9. 9 is the average of 8 and 10. So 6 square plus 8 square equals to 10 square. Okay. And then there is one theorem called ladder theorem. Ladder's theorem. What does ladder theorem states is, let us take a triangle. The triangle is ABC. So sorry. Let the triangle be ABC. Let this area be A. Let this area be B. Let this area be C. And A is the area of triangle ABC. A is the total area of triangle ABC. 1 by A plus 1 by C equals to 1 by A plus C plus 1 by B plus C. Just remember it. Don't go for the proof. It's a time waste. So remember it. It is a previous year's CAT question. There is a model on which this was asked. And another note point which you have to remember here is, suppose uh, let us take a diagram like this. Okay, and this is, let's label it A, B, C, D, E, F. Given that AB is parallel to EF is parallel to CD. Okay, the formula here is 1 by EF equals to 1 by AB plus 1 by CD. This is a formula. This is a previous year's question also, so remember it. So if you are getting any question from triangles, always try to equate areas, or try to equate areas in all possible ways. This will help while solving any problem on triangles. So that's it about today's video. In the next video, I'll try to cover circles. Thank you.